A solution is an ordered pair. So an ordered pair is something that is an x and a y. So a solution is an ordered pair, an x and a y, that makes an equation, so an equal sign, true. So if you can plug these in, then it's true. Okay, so first one reads, find the solution for each equation given the x value. Write your answer as an ordered pair. So if x is -1, what is y? That's what it's asking us. So y equals 3. Now, instead of writing x, I'm going to plug in -1. I'm going to write it in parentheses, plus 4. So you're basically evaluating. You're plugging it in. So it's y equals -3 plus 4, which is 1. -3 plus 4 is 1. So to write it as an ordered pair is, always write the x first, write in parentheses, x is -1 and y is 1. So this is a solution. Okay, this letter B. I'm going to plug in x is -3, so I do y equals -4. Now instead of writing x, I'm going to plug in -3 and then plus 3. So now I do order of operations. Y equals 12 plus 3, which is 15. So my ordered pair is -3, positive 15. Okay, next part is the given point a solution to the equation 3x minus 2y equals 12? Show your work to justify your answer. So if this is the solution, this is x, this is y, it means I plug it in up here and it's true. So let's plug in x and y and up here and see if it's true. So I do 3 times 0, because it's 3x, minus 2 times 4. Does that equal 12? So order of operations, 0 times 3 is 0, minus 8. Does that equal 12? -8 does not equal 12. Does not work. So no, it's not a solution. Now I'm going to plug in 6 is x, y is 3. So 3, instead of writing x, I'm going to write 6 minus 2 times 3 equals 12. So does 18 minus 6 equals 12? Does 12 equal 12? Yes. So it is a solution. Now the reason that we do this is we can graph. So we can graph the line y equals -1/2 x plus 3 by completing the table. So these values are x, and we are going to plug in these numbers for x. Then we're going to write as an ordered pair and then graph the points to make a line. So I'm going to plug in y equals -1/2 times -2 plus 3. So this is 1 plus 3 is 4. So my x value is -2 and my y value is 4. Now I'm going to plug in 0. So it's y equals -1/2 times 0 plus 3. This is equal to 3. So my ordered pair is x is 0, y is 3. The last one, I'm going to plug in 4, so -1/2 times 4 plus 3 is 1, because this is -2, -2 plus 3 is 1. So my ordered pair is 4 and then 1. So now I'm going to graph this line. It needs to be a line. So I'm going to plot -2, 4 as I go left 2, up 4, 0, 3, over 0, up 3, and over 4, up 1. So you can see that it makes a line. If it doesn't make a line, then something happened. Put arrows at the end of your line. Make sure it's a straight line. Now, next thing is if you have to graph these types of lines. If you have x equals a number, it's going to be a vertical line. If you have y equals a number, it's going to be a horizontal line. This is a vertical line. It goes up and down. This is a horizontal line. It goes side to side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to x equals, on the x-axis, I'm going to make a dot at 2. So no matter what y is, x is always 2. So that's why it turns into a vertical line. Put arrows on the end. In the second one, no matter what, go on the y-axis, make a dot at -3. No matter what the x is, y is always -3. So you make a horizontal line. So x equals is a vertical line, y equals is a horizontal line. So, is this a function? Is this equation a function? So, is this one a function? Now, if we drew a vertical line, it would pass through infinitely. So, no, this is not a function. But, yes, this is a function. So, I'm going to add another page here and do a couple more examples. So, let's look at y equals 5. So, y equals 5. What you're going to do is you're going to go on. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So on the y-axis, you go to 5, which is right up here. Now y equals is a horizontal line. So it goes like this. Now let's do x equals -3. So you go on, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, so you go to -3. And you make a vertical line. Now this one is, yes, it's a function. And then because it passes the vertical line test, this one is no, it's not a function.